Hello, welcome to this video on content generation for ChatGPT. You will be generating different contents using ChatGPT. We'll be generating all these contents you are seeing on your screen using ChatGPT. But I would like us to know this, that personally, based on my experience, the best way to get prompts is not to look for it on Google or other platforms, or be looking for sheets, or be looking for scripts from prompt engineers to get prompts. The best way to get prompts for any niche is still to go through ChatGPT itself. So ChatGPT itself can produce the right prompts for you to get any form of answers that you want. So what I will do now is that I will input this. Look at this prompt here. List different prompts to generate AI content for each. Ensure each have different prompts. I repeat, I said prompt only. And I added equal to here. Then I listed I want prompt for proofreading, for copywriting, for article, for book title, for charts, video scripts, translations, hard scripts, social media posts, book contents, product descriptions, business plan. And I also said I want prompt for SEO, keyword content, academic research, resume. So I will put this whole content on ChatGPT for ChatGPT to generate prompts for each. So is that prompt ChatGPT will generate for each, we will now use to get content. So that is how it usually go to get good prompts and good contents from ChatGPT. And if you are an individual, you can always use this. You can always use this. If you are only looking for just one item, you can always use this. Personally, I prefer to put equal to and add the question in front of the equal to. Without the equal to, it will still work. So, but that's how I actually prefer it. So probably because of programming experience. So list different prompts to generate AI content for each. Ensure each have different prompts. So now let's start. I will put everything here on ChatGPT. I will insert them in ChatGPT. Now you just click enter. It will generate different. Can you see that it is generating different prompts? So it will generate different prompts itself. Instead of thinking about the kind of prompts to have and all that, you'll be able to get the right prompt depending on how you are able to ask the right questions. So here are different prompts. Here are different prompts that we have gotten. Let's start from here. Resume. Let's start from these prompts. Let's use these prompts. Then say create a professional resume for a marketing manager position. Highlight relevant skills, achievements, work experience. Then you will need, if you will need to add your inputs, my name is Tunde. I work as a tech consultant. I have worked at Unilever. Tesla. So, all these prompts, you will need to add your personal information to them. After you are satisfied with the personal information, you add your education and all that. So once you are done with all that, then you just click enter. Once you click enter with the prompts you have you'll be able to get content from the prompts. So you can see that it is generating content of the resume now. So you'll be able to get content once you have your own addition to the prompts. So here you have it. All these are your resume contents. Now let's move to the next prompt. This is academic research. Said conduct this. The prompt is, let me copy the prompt. Let me copy the prompt. The prompt is conduct research on the impact of climate change on marine biodiversity. So you can put your topic here, whatever topic, you can put it here. Summarize recent studies and all that. So this is how to go about this. If your topic is about maths tools, for instance, then let's say that is your research topic. So the prompt is bringing out research topic for you. So research contents for you. Then the next one here is SEO keyword content. Let's say you want to generate a content, you want it to rank on search engine. So generate SEO-friendly content for a travel website. Incorporate related keywords. So you mention your keyword. What you will do is that you will put your topic, say generate SEO-friendly content for a travel website. Incorporate keywords related to if your whatever your title is, then you can insert it here. SEO content for, you can say human virus. Let's say that is the title of your content, of the SEO content you want to write. Then provide useful information and travel tips. You can say provide useful information and medical tips. So what I'm saying in essence is that all these prompts, you also need to edit them. So in your own way, if you use ChatGPT to generate your prompts, so you can say incorporate keywords related, can say incorporate keywords related to virus, etc. So and then you click enter, you will be able to get content this way. So because ChatGPT have done half of the job for you, yours is just to edit in your own way and get good content. So can you see that the contents are being generated? So here you have the contents. With the right prompts, this fits good content. It has different sections. It has different sections and all that. This particularly fits different contents, it fits a blog post, it fits an article. Then the next one is product description. So write a compelling product description for a high-end smartphone. Highlight its key features. So now let's go again. Ours might not be smartphone. You can say write a compelling product description for a golden shoe. Highlight the key features, like you can put lights, lights. You can say easy to wear. Let's see. Can say easy to wear and all that. Then click enter. So this is for product description. So now here you have it. In case you are not also satisfied with the prompt, personally now, I am not satisfied with these prompts. You know why? In product description and copywriting, it should be benefits over features. So it should not just give me features like this. It should actually give me benefit first. What's the buyer will benefit instead of giving me features first. So what will I do? I will say, I can say I want you to list benefits or features. So even if you are the one that put the wrong prompt in the beginning, you can also follow up the contents. So then click enter. Then you see. So now it says certainly when it comes to marketing, product or services, focusing on benefits. So focusing on benefits rather than features can create a more compelling and persuasive message. Now here you have the features first before the benefits. So that is how you will be using the prompts. Now for book contents, if you want to generate book contents from ChatGPT, I will advise you to first generate the outline. Yes, write a chapter for a fancy novel. Create a vivid word. So before you do this is what I will advise first. Generate an outline for my fancy novel book. So once you generate title, it is each title you will now be inserting for ChatGPT to write for you. Can you see? Here are the outline. So here are the outline that is being generated. So once you have the outline, it will be very easy for you to write a whole book with ChatGPT. Now let me add the prompt again. Write a chapter for a fancy novel. Let me copy the first item I want ChatGPT to write for us in our book. I can say introduce the protagonists. So write a chapter for a fancy novel. Create a vivid world, interesting character, and all that. Introduce the protagonist. Write the IA of the introduction section. So write the IA. This is I. Why this is A of the introduction. Then you click enter. So here you have it. Here you have the contents. But something that we advise is that when you are writing a book that involves stories with ChatGPT, it is better you write it at a sitting. Finish writing it at a sitting so that it can follow up all the contents, so that you can follow up all the characters, the contents, the storyline, and all that. So you can also type continue. Let's say you want more content. You can also just put continue and click enter. So it will continue writing. It will continue writing for you. If you click continue, can you see? So now it's continuing again. Continued. So the next one is social media post, hard scripts, translation, all these things. Let me put all of them. Let's have all of them at once. I think we got here with it, right? We stop at social media posts. So we've done book contents. Now, I want us to have this. I want us to do everything at once now. Say, please proofread the, let me say, proofread the, please proofread the contents. So let me just put contents for grammar, spelling, error. Ensure the text flows smoothly and is error free. Just say, put equal to in front. Let's say the content is who am I and what am I not? Let's say that is the content. So I said, create a compelling copy for new products launch. Highlight its unique features, benefits. So this one, we don't need to add anything, it's straight to the point. This one say, write an article on the impact of technology on mental health, include recent research and all that. So if mental health is not your article topic, you can replace it here to your article topic. If mental health is not your article topic. Then this one say, book title, propose a catchy and engaging title of a self-help book. Say of a book focused on can say gadgets. So you can have it that way. Then the next one is build charts using the provided data. No, we've not provided any data. You can say generate imaginary data for me. Create clear and visually appealing charts and graphs that illustrate the sales trend over the past year. This video script, you can say, write a script for a 3-minute promotional video for a restaurant. The video should showcase popular destinations, highlight types of food. Then the next one is translation. Translate the given paragraphs from English. Let me just say translate the given content from English or to English. So I'm explaining to you how you can edit all these prompts to use for your personal use. So translate the given content to English while maintaining the original meaning and contents. Just put equal to Q, Sarah. Let's say that's what I want translation for. Develop a script for a 30 seconds advertisement promoting a new car. Let me just put a new Toyota car. Emphasize its user-friendly features and benefit of staying and benefits. Let me just put and benefits alone. The last one is social media post. Craft a catchy social media post for a, let me say for a tech coach. For a tech coach Instagram page announcing a special discount offer for the weekend. Encourage followers to share. Now that we have all these prompts, what do we do? I want us to do all these prompts at once for us to get all this content at once. Then you can copy everything. Control A to copy everything. Then I'll go to ChatGPT again. Let me have a fresh page. Now that I have a fresh page, paste the prompts, come back to the first and give it instruction. Generate, let me say, follow the prompts of each to generate answers to each prompts based on the instructions given. I also want to show you that on ChatGPT, you can have bulk contents. So you can have bulk content. So it's bulk content we are about to create based on the instructions given. So the spellings might not be correct, but if you understand. So now, what do we do? we just need to, after the equal to, let me click enter. Once I click enter, to generate content for each. Let me also add, ensure you generate content for each. So click enter. You can see that based on each instructions, we are having our contents. So can you see? So ChatGPT can also be used to deliver bulk contents, not only one or two contents. You can deliver bulk contents with ChatGPT. So can you see now that we have all our content complete? See, for social media posts. See, exciting tech, we say we should create social media posts for us. Can you see? Look at translation. Q Sarah translate to whatever will be in English. So this is video scripts that So now we have all our contents. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. So I hope you have learned from this lecture. Look at our chart, our imaginary sales data that are generated for us. Thank you for watching this video. Join me in the next lecture.